To make a Tradingview chart bigger, start by logging into your Tradingview account and navigating to the chart you want to resize. Once you are on the chart page, look for the Minimize and Maximize buttons in the top right corner of the chart window. Clicking the Maximize button will make the chart full screen, allowing you to see more data and analyze the market more effectively. If you want to make the chart bigger without going full screen, you can use the zoom feature. To do this, click and hold the mouse wheel and move it up to zoom in or down to zoom out. You can also use the plus and minus buttons on your keyboard to zoom in and out. Another way to make the chart bigger is to use the layout feature. To do this, click on the layout button in the top right corner of the chart window and select the layout you want to use. You can choose from a variety of layouts, including a single chart layout, a layout with multiple charts, or a layout with a chart and other tools such as a newsfeed or a chat window. In addition to resizing the chart, you can also customize the appearance of the chart to make it easier to read and analyze. To do this, click on the Settings button in the top right corner of the chart window and select the settings you want to use. You can choose from a variety of settings, including the chart type, the time frame, and the indicators you want to use. To make the most of your Tradingview chart, it is also important to use the correct time frame and indicators for your trading strategy. For example, if you are a day trader, you may want to use a shorter time frame such as a 1-minute or 5-minute chart, while a swing trader may want to use a longer time frame such as a daily or weekly chart. By following these steps and customizing your Tradingview chart to meet your needs, you can make the chart bigger and more effective, allowing you to analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. Remember to always use the correct time frame and indicators for your trading strategy, and to continuously monitor and adjust your chart as needed to stay on top of the market.